Derek with Eliminex. I'm here at this house. It's raining today, but I got a call about the Carpenter bees, so I'm looking for the evidence of Carpenter bees, and you can see all the markings up here on the rake board. You can see all the dark markings. See them right under the rake board there. That's where the Carpenter bees are at. Nesting, and each one has an individual one. And then can have up to 7 when they start emerging. And she lays her larvae on there. Let's look on the other side. She said it was only on one side, but that's probably the side that she's just sees them. She probably didn't go on the other side to look. You can also see them up in this rake area, which I don't see them now. And then on this side, yeah, they're on both sides. They're on both sides of the house. She said they're only on one side, but they're on both sides. You can see all the markings there. They're gonna probably swarm big time. We get a lot of calls around mid-April and May. Get like 100 calls for the Carpenter bees. It's always an emergency. Let's come here to survey it. Center of the report. You can see the Carpenter bees going all the way. It's pretty heavy. We have a permanent approach to Carpenter bees, but it's a pest proofing thing, and it's, you know, it costs twice the money, maybe even 3 times the money than just doing a treatment. You can just do a treatment, and you know, they may not come back the next year, but that's where the Carpenter bees go, and the pesticides don't last forever. They only last about 90 days at the most, and then you can get them again. So you do a maintenance program with us. If you just want a one and done kind of treatment, we offer a 90-day program. But you know, we have like a more of a permanent approach. We can give up to a 3-year warranty, but it's not a big deal.